Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I welcome you again to an interesting video where we are going to teach you how to make these lovely cute DIYs. So we have pasted it further and then put it like this, and you can even blow it. Isn't it pretty? Take the marker, get the cutouts of these dumplings, and here with the help of straw you need to cut them further. Make the holes and then get it further attached in this manner, and it is damn pretty. Isn't it amazing? Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we going to do next. Fold the sheet of paper in this manner, get it attached and get the creases and lines and folds along these lines. Yes, you need to just proceed in this manner. And how you can get the lines here, you need to make the triangular shapes like this and then proceeding in this manner. Paste it like this. Join it further and you will get a beautiful lovely result. Your basket is ready. Now let's see, again take the egg tray shells and then just paste it, color it further in this manner, and you need to secure it and paste it like this. And here's paste the eyes and all those things, and here's to the result. Looking lovely, isn't it? Now let's see what are we going to do next. You need to make the heart shape pattern and then fold it from the top and get it attached to some other sheet of paper, and your mouse is ready. Put the cheese ahead. Pretty amazing, right? Keep on proceeding further and let's see what are we going to do next. Just fold your and wrap your paper in this manner, get it attached in this way, and then make the bees and all, and here's the result. Damn pretty. Now take the stripes of paper like this, fold it, get the curls, and then arrange it in this pattern as we are doing here, and then you need to make it further and then spread it in this manner. Pretty cool, right? Now let's see what are we going to do next. You need to just make these lines, these curvy wavy lines in this manner, and then get the fishes attached floating in the river. Proceeding in this manner, again take the imprints of your hand and then cut it further. What are we going to do? Paste like this. You need to paste it further in this manner, and here's to it. Then with the help of your string you need to just pull it further. It is definitely pretty, isn't it? Now take a sheet like this and fold it into the form of a conical shape, and here's to take another sheet of paper, white one, and then make it colorful like this. You need to just paste it further, make the rolls like these, and then attach it further. You need to just paste it in this manner, and here's the result. Cone, a delicious cone. Keep on proceeding again, take a designer sheet and then you need to just fold it further and make it look like this from the bottom, and then give it a fold like this, a circular fold, and in this manner you'll get a beautiful lovely result. Are you excited to see what are we going to make now? Just give it a fold like this and your pretty dress is ready. Again take a designer sheet of paper and then you need to just give it a fold from sidewards and then from top and bottom as well, and then you need to just secure it and interlock it in this pattern. Your box is ready, and here's to it. Just secure it further and it is yet ready to go. Thank you so much guys for watching.